Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Hi your girl, Debbie Dogayard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. All you right on over here, special welcome. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey and you're still here, manners and respect. You see how much I'm behind on my Jammas videos, even though I'm dropping one per day? But look here, let's get in. Better late than never, not true? Now, on today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, you saw I did the stir-fry veggies and the colors that I used. I did promise you the raw version. We're onto this right now. So we're still going to be using the red or purple cabbage or regular cabbage. We're going to be using carrots. We're going to be using the green in the cucumber to substitute the pak choy. Going to be using some tomatoes, also some yellow and some green sweet pepper. But we're going to be peeling like the cucumber to get a little white in there, you know, to bring out something. So let me first introduce to you how I'm going to do my cucumber. Also, we're going to be removing the seeds from the cucumber and the tomatoes. We don't want them extraness in there, you know. We don't want, because we're going to use a little, oh wow, what's thing there? We're going to be using, what's that thing, camera girl? To put this, to put the salad together. It's okay, family.
Oh, vinaigrette.
A little vinaigrette to put the salad together. So we don't want the inside of the tomatoes to get it too watery. And so, but we're not going to throw it out. I'm going to show you what you can do with it. So we're going to use the greenest part of the cucumber. Okay? And I'm using like a serrated knife. I'm going to be, some people might have something that can peel it more accurate. I'm going to be peeling like this to also just to highlight a little white part of it for presentation and all of that. Jamaicans, you know this that I'm doing well. Peeling the cucumber part way. But I'm going to put the cucumber down right now in two. And I'm going to be removing the seeds. So I'm going to do that. Come back. I soon come. Seeds have been removed from my cucumber. We have it here. You don't have to throw it. You can put it in your juice or some other salad. And also for the people that has acidic problems, stomach, acid reflux, that is the part of the cucumber will give the trouble. So we are going to go now and we are going to do it as like this. As fine as you can get it, as thin, I'm sorry, as you can get the cucumber. So you see the look of the cucumber. Okay, we're going to do that and return. Okay, cucumbers all prepared. Now, those of you who are in foreign or abroad, you can get the seedless cucumbers. It's hard to get here in Jamaica. I have not seen it so often. So you can opt for that as opposed to become, you know, these seed the cucumber. Same thing for the tomatoes. We're taking out this part. Look at me. And you don't have to worry about this. You can use this in your stew chicken and your brown stew. Let us go finish the tomatoes. And when we return, they will be properly chopped just as we did with the cucumbers. Masoon come. Okay, tomatoes chopped. And you notice, normally if you had the seeds in, you would see the liquid running there. Now it's time for our carrots. And you're going to be use your grater or, you know, whatever, shredder grater. Some people use this side. I find it, when you do it too fine, remember the carrot has a lot of liquid in there, you know. It tends to, after a time, the liquid tends to come out too much. So I prefer to use this side. You can use your food processor. So you don't do, you don't go like this. You just go like this. Down, 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 down. We're going to go finish this and return. Carrots finished. We're going on to our cabbages. You don't have to remove that core. You can just go around it. We're going to be shredding now. Thin, slender slices. That's threading. I'm eating my little end of my carrot. Real kitchen. I showed you before. I'm going to show you again. Firmly, with preferably a serrated knife. You could use this too. It doesn't matter, but it has to be sharp. You know, so the serrated knife, you see this? But this can do it too. You see what I'm showing? Show it on camera, girl. But this one here goes better. It does it better. Look at me here. Very firm against it. I'm showing you this way, and you can also do this way. I am not recommending this way for everybody. Not everybody can handle themselves this way. This way takes you faster. But if you cannot control yourself, you will damage your hand. Unless you want to put on a gloves or something. This way, camera girl, you dip on it, takes you faster. Threading. This is what threading is, family. Slender, long, thin strips. We're going to do this with this yellow cabbage. Do this purple cabbage. We're going to do it with the white and return to incorporate our vegetable for that perfect holiday vegetable salad. Soon come. All prepped, family, and ready to go for you. This is what your shredded cabbage should look like, or even thinner. Nothing bigger than this, because it's a steamed cabbage, okay? Now we're on to our little dressing. I've got inside here 1 tablespoon of honey, or you can use your agave or whilst you want, and a tablespoon of white granulated sugar. It could be dark too, or whatever you want to use for your sweetener. It's not sweetening. That sugar is just to balance out the acidity, because we're going to put in some vinegar. We're also going to be putting in, let me put the vinegar first. I'm going to be putting in like about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using white distill. The distill one, it goes better, because some of them now go on so good. That seems like about 1.5 tablespoons. I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil. Let it be something that is light, not too heavy. Also, I have to be going in with a peg of garlic. Not definitely for you, optional, but because I mean like the flavor of the garlic, I'm using the fresh garlic. You could use a little granulated garlic, less like 1/4 teaspoon. You don't want to overpower it. Gonna grate this in there and return. Okay, now family, we are back, and this is what your vinaigrette looks like. You want to dissolve it thoroughly. We're going to leave it there. It's not proper dissolved as yet. Hands are clean. They should be clean. And mind you, you have to have a little more of your white cabbage than your purple. Let's get them in with clean hands. We have here some chopped yellow bell peppers. You could go for some orange. Or if you don't have tomato, you don't want, you could use red. Try to get the bell peppers chopped fine, or even finer than this. Not everybody likes to taste that big chunk of bell pepper in a them salad, okay? If you like it like that, you do it like that. And also, I was about to say something, I don't remember, but let's get in all what we add and all of that. Let's go do it and return. Okay, this is what our bowl looks like. We're going to be incorporating. And once I incorporate, I want to say something to you. So, you want to get this all dissolved. What I want to say to you is this, family. The honey is in there, so it's a bit thick. But once I do this, I wanted to take the time to just share this little part of the video with you. It's Christmas, you know, they're on a hurry, you're not on a flight to catch. If you have one, you might want to go. But if you don't have none to catch like me, you can stay with me. Eh? You know, this is the season of entertaining. This is the season to go a little extra. Yes, especially for those who are entertaining. And I'm begging some of you that are invited to dinner to go, friends, school work, or family. Don't go to the people in place with the whole heap of arms house and the whole heap of criticizing. You who are entertaining, try to let your thing be, you know, try to impress as best as you can. And I'm looking at you, Miss Debbie, oh yeah, you matter. Well, I've got the people in place with the little nene, rere, and find fault, and when everything is over at the dinner, you family member, you friend, you co-worker, you have a lot to say. Don't do that. It's Christmas. It's a time for just sharing and giving and having family time. Now bother with it, okay? And also, I'll say again, you who are entertaining, try to go the extra mile. Yeah, because you know, say you have some little chatty mouth people. Yeah? So try to do your best, okay? Let us try to finish this, and then we are going to get it all incorporated, and we are going to put it right in there. This is how it will look. Then this is the honey. We're going to be tossing now. You can use your little niceness them way you have, you know. I have a few stuff here, but guess what? I can't find them. I'm all over the place. My life is all over the place. So I don't know where to find my stuff. You have gotten the picture? I don't have to stay here the whole time. You're incorporating the colors, the different types of vegetable. Put them in a manner that they, you know. And also, you're getting this dressing all incorporated right through and through the salad. I'm going to go through this, and when I return, I'll be presenting to you this Jamaican raw vegetable salad, and it is the holiday version. May soon come. All plated for you, from my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, to your stomach, and most of all to your Christmas dinner table. It is the Jamaican raw vegetable salad, and it's done. This is the holiday version. Please do enjoy. Now, if you have liked this video, know if you do, you know, thumbs up the video, then make sure you are subscribed by Christmas. Now, you know, give me some extra thumbs up. All who watching, and you've been there watching, and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? You have never left me a comment. Please do so, principled and decent, so I can reply to you in that same way. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Love you. Love you. Love you. All our information will be in the description of this and all our other and future videos for you to just know what you want, whether PayPal, Cash App, whether you want to send me an email or whatever. Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.